The Engineering Exchange was established to try and improve how UCL engineers engage with local communities. A lot of local community groups in London, they're faced with all sorts of issues, but some of them would be easier to solve if they had some technical support. So issues like air pollution, transport, energy efficiency, some questions around housing. Engineering has a role to play in all of these kinds of things. Our first aim is just to make engineering expertise more accessible to local community groups. Our first major project was a review of the evidence for demolition or refurbishment of social housing in London. The London Tenants Federation and the Just Space Network commissioned us to just do a review of the technical evidence. And from a technical and environmental point of view, we found that it is, in most cases, possible and preferable to refurbish homes rather than to demolish them.
You know, it's always great to work on projects that are really relevant, and particularly when they're relevant to your local community, it's even better.
So we're quite closely involved and have been for many years. I'm trying to not just protect the waterways, but to develop them and bring them back to life. There's a huge highway running right through the centre of this great city. The roads are gridlocked. Why aren't the canals being used?
We were approached initially by Regent's Network, who are looking at getting these changes into the canal system. We've been working on a project all about trying to reinvigorate the canals around London for freight. And so what we've been really working on is trying to help them come up with a solution for the engineering part of the problem.
The reason I think the engineering department is ideal to help us out is that there's a lot of knowledge there. They provide sort of the expertise and knowledge that I can't provide. I can campaign for using the canals, but I can't give the wherewithal to actually carry it out.
We wanted to work with the Engineering Exchange because they just make the whole process a lot easier. So in terms of making the connection in the first place with the community group, and then as we go through the project, making sure that we're meeting the milestones in terms of requirements, but also in terms of the relationship management as well.
A lot of people who become engineers, they do it because we want to change the world, we want to improve things, and so actually working directly with people who are facing very real problems and otherwise might not have access to engineering is one of the things that we're hoping to do.